This indoor amusement park is absolutely incredible.
Yes, it is so bright, clean, and completely safe.
Wow! Look at that giant wall over there! That is an indoor rock climbing wall, Genu. Dad, can I try to climb it, please?
Of course you can. That is exactly why we came here.
Look at this floor. It is made of super thick memory foam.
Wow! It is so soft. You could probably sleep on this floor.
Okay, Captain Genu, step into this safety harness.
I am ready to be a professional indoor mountain climber.
Let me make sure these straps are completely tight.
I feel like a secret agent getting ready for a mission. He has so much energy today.
He ate a lot of indoor pizza for lunch. He needs to burn it off.
This is an auto belay rope. It is the safest system in the world found.
So if I let go, the rope will catch me?
Yes, absolutely. It will catch you.
Yes, it will lower you to the ground very slowly and safely.
Neta! That is awesome! I am not scared at all. Are you sure? Because the wall looks very high from here. I am a brave explorer, Rumi. Watch me conquer this wall. Wow. Just remember to hold on tight and have fun, sweetie. I will, Mom. I am gonna reach the very top.
Put your hands on the green handles and your feet on the blue ones.
Green for hands, blue for feet.
I got it.
You are doing great, Genu. You look like a spider. I am Spider Genu, the fastest climber in the park.
He is moving surprisingly fast for his first time.
He is very determined. Let's see how far he goes.
Whoa! The ground looks very far away now.
Don't look down, Genu. Keep your eyes on the wall.
Dad, I think I am stuck. My arms feel a little tired. You are doing fine. Just take a deep breath. Is he okay, Mom? He stopped moving.
He is perfectly safe. He just needs a little encouragement.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure. Just watch him.
Genu, listen to my voice. You don't have to go to the top.
I'm at the top! But I want to touch the red line at the top.
Nada.
But it is too far. I don't know how to get there.
You are looking at the whole wall. That makes it scary.
Don't look at the red line. Right now.
Then what should I look at, Dad?
Just look at the yellow handle right above your left hand. Okay?
Oh my.
I see the yellow handle.
Don't worry about the top. Just take it step by step.
Step by step. Just one handle at a time? I got it. That wasn't so hard.
Excellent. See? Step by step is always easier.
Now move your right foot up to the blue one. Moving the right foot, step by step. Yeah, got it. Woohoo, you did it. I am moving again. I am not stuck anymore.
That is the spirit. Keep finding the next closest handle.
That was very good advice, Michael.
It works for climbing, and it works for life too.
I see a red handle. I am going to grab it. Ah!
You are getting really close to the top, Genu.
Just a little further. Left hand up, right foot up, step by step.
You found a perfect rhythm, buddy. Keep it up.
He completely forgot that he was scared a minute ago because he stopped looking down. He is just looking forward. Dad, I can almost touch the finish line.
One last stretch, Genu. You can do it.
I touched it. I touched the red line. Yay! You made it to the top. The sound of a crowd of children cheering and clapping. We are so proud of you, Captain Genu. I am proud of me too. This is the best feeling.
No, just push off the wall with your feet and sit back.
Just let go of the wall? Are you sure? The rope will catch you, Genu. It is completely safe. Okay, here I come. a very slow indoor parachute. Whoa!
Keep your feet ready to touch the soft mat.
He looks so happy floating down like that.
It actually looks like a lot of fun. Touchdown! The eagle has landed perfectly.
Welcome back to Earth, my brave climber. You did a fantastic job up there.
Thank you, Dad. Your step-by-step trick really worked.
I knew you could do it. You're a natural.
You were so brave to keep going when you felt stuck. I just focused on the next handle, just like Dad said. Oh, okay. Watching you made me really want to try it. Oh, you should. It is the most fun thing in the park.
Are you ready for your turn, Rumi?
Yes. I want to see if I can touch the red line too.
Nice and tight. You are officially ready to climb.
I hope I am as fast as Genu was.
Don't worry about speed, sweetie. Just enjoy the climb.
I will, Mom. Here I go. This foam is actually really easy to grip. Ah!
You have very good balance, Rumi.
They are being so supportive of each other today. Oh.
This indoor park is bringing out the best in them.
And the best part is, there are no bugs and no sunburns.
Exactly. The perfect climate-controlled family adventure.
Touched it! Mission accomplished!
Woo! Wow!
You made that look so easy, Rumi. Ah! This auto belay rope is the best ride in the building.
Bend your knees when you land on the mat.
That was amazing. I feel very energized now.
See? I told you it was the best thing here.
2 successful climbs for the Martinez family today.
Oh, I think we all earned a nice indoor treat.
Did someone say treat? Like a giant cotton candy? Or maybe a large pepperoni pizza from the food court?
I think we have time for both. Pizza first, then cotton candy.
Step by step. First pizza, then candy. That is my favorite rule.
You definitely learned how to apply the lesson, Genu. He is a genius when it comes to snacks.
A perfect climb and a perfect indoor afternoon.
The best Saturday ever.